Guangdong Xinzhi Yuan Technology Company Limited, XYZ for short, was established in 2018. It is a professional manufacturer of vending machines in South China. It is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, sales, and service, with the mission of empowering new retail with intelligent self-service. The company is committed to providing customers in the retail industry with overall solutions for mobile convenient payment, intelligent terminal equipment, and intelligent operations, and has become an innovation and reliability equipment supplier in the vending machine market and partners. The products developed by our company have obtained a number of utility model patent technology certificates, which fully shows the excellent research and development ability of XYZ Vending. We successfully passed the ISO 9001 quality system certification. The related products have passed the CE, FCC, CQC certification, and company products won the CQC certification. After years of research and development and market research, the company now become a manufacturer with complete product line of vending machines. The company's brand, XYZ Vending products, are exported to more countries and regions around the world. The overall solution is widely used in schools, shopping malls, cinemas, amusement parks, arcade centers, hospitals, and other places. We warmly welcome friends from all over the world to visit our factory, make progress, seek common development, and create brilliance together.